Hi guys, today I discuss about multiplexing and demultiplexing. If you are new in our YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and share our channel and also click the bell icon button. First of all, I see what is multiplexing. Multiplexing is a technique used in telecommunications and computer networks to combine multiple signals or data streams into one signal over a shared medium. The main purpose is to maximize the utilization of the available bandwidth, allowing several communication channels to coexist on a single transmission path. There are several types of multiplexing. Number 1, TDM, time division multiplexing. Process each signal occupies the entire bandwidth of the channel but for a short and distinct period of time. Example, telephone networks where multiple calls share the same physical line. Number second, frequency division multiplexing FDM. Each signal is assigned a different frequency within the main channel, allowing simultaneous transmission. Example, radio broadcasting where different stations transmit at different frequencies. Number 3, wavelength division multiplexing WDM. Similar to FDM but specifically for optical fiber communications using different wavelength colors of light. Example, high speed fiber optic networks. Number 4, code division multiplexing CDM. Each signal is assigned a unique code and transmitted over the same frequency band. Example, wireless communication technologies like CDMA, code division multiplexing access used in mobile networks. And number second, demultiplexing. Demultiplexing is the reverse process of multiplexing. It involves separating a combined signal back into its original individual signals. Demultiplexers use the same method as the multiplexer to identify and extract each signal based on time slots, frequencies, wavelengths, or codes. The key goal is to ensure that each recipient receives the correct data stream. Types of demultiplexing. Time division demultiplexing TDDM allocates the received combined signal to different output lines based on different time slots. Example, in TDM telephone systems, the demultiplexer assigns the correct call data to each phone line. Number second, frequency division demultiplexing. User filters to separate signals based on their frequencies. Example, radio receivers that tune into different stations by demultiplexing different frequency bands. Number 3, wavelength division multiplexing uses optical filters to separate light signals based on their wavelengths. Example, fiber optic receivers that demultiplex incoming light into different channels. Number 4, code division demultiplexing uses correlation techniques to extract the signal based on their unique codes. Example, CDMA mobile phone systems where each user's signal is separated based on their unique code. Summary, multiplexing combines multiple signals into one to efficiently use bandwidth. Demultiplexing separates the combined signal back into individual signal for proper delivery to recipients. Both techniques are crucial in modern communication systems to optimize bandwidth usage and ensure efficient data transmission and reception. Thank you.